Life Coach Kendall with the Joy for Africa. So yes, I know this is a crazy series, but bear with me. I have been working with a couple of young clients recently. As you know, I'm a life coach and empowerment specialist, and many of them have been really answering the question of who are your mentors, who are your people that you look up to in a very unique way. The new generation of young people are really looking up to celebrities. And so obviously we know that the Kardashians are very, very popular. And so I had this other client one day, when I asked them that question, they said that they look up to Kylie Jenner. And so I decided to kind of go with it. What are three things that you could take away from Kylie Jenner, that Kylie Jenner did, that you could actually emulate in your own life? If you're interested in that information, stay tuned. Lesson number one that you can take away from Kylie Jenner, if you really admire her, is this: pay attention to your hobbies. If you have been a fan of the Kardashian Show, like I have, I must admit, I have watched it for a long time. One of the things that Kylie used to do as a little girl was she loved to explore with makeup. And there was actually one really powerful scene in a restaurant where the dad was actually kind of letting her know, apprehending her for wearing makeup to go to school because he didn't feel it was appropriate for her age. And so the reason I share that story with you is because Kylie really at a very young age was exhibiting some type of interest in something that she just loved. What is it that you love? Take a look at your surroundings. What is it that you're doing that you love that maybe 10 to 15 to 20 years from now that you could make into something fabulous? Lesson number two from Kylie Jenner: do not compare yourself with other people. I know this sounds crazy, but this is a big lesson. Kylie is a younger sister to Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner is Kylie's older sister. And if you guys have been following, I know you guys already know this, Kendall, who was older, had a set plan for what she wanted to do for the rest of her life. Kylie did not. But one of the things that was really powerful in the parenting style for Kylie and Jenner is that Bruce and Chris always ensured to kind of motivate, inspire, and let Kylie know that she is her own person. And even though Kylie Jenner grew into the makeup type of endeavor later in life, meaning a little later than Kendall, it's a very powerful lesson if you find yourself in that situation. So think about that. And finally, lesson number three. Kylie Jenner did this and it worked out for her. So maybe you can emulate this positive thing. Find one thing that you do well and then do it really, really well. And I know that sounds cliche, but that's actually very, very powerful. For Kylie, it was makeup. She loved exploring with different colors. She loved exploring with the color in her hair. I remember one time Kim was so annoyed because she was going to wear the color blue to her wedding. Do you guys remember that episode? Well, again, those are signs of things that somebody's passionate about. So when you look into your life, what are some things that you do really, really well? Do you bake? Do you do hair? Do you find yourself an inspirational person? What is it that if you were to ask your friends that you do really, really well, and then develop that skill? So remember, if you need help identifying a hobby that you feel you have the potential to excel, if you need help to stop comparing yourself with somebody else either in your family or your group of friends, and finally, if you feel that you need some additional support in really just building what you have into a brand, let me know. Shoot me an email. I'm more than happy to set up a consultation with you and coach you through success. So remember, don't just celebrate the celebrities in your life. Look at the experiences with a third eye and try to learn from them. All right, until my next video. Bye.